5-pack. An Amazon brand. Transform a computer's Type-C port into 4 individual USB Type-A 3.1 ports for connecting phones, keyboards and other peripherals. Fast USB data transfer speed of up to 5 gigabits per second. Reversible design. Easily insert the connector into any Type-C enabled device. Supports USB 3.1 and is also backwards compatible with USB 2.0. Compatible with Windows 10 8.1, 8, Mac OS and Chrome. Easy installation, no drivers or power adapters required. Complete connection requires USB Type-A cables, sold separately, backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I really liked this one. My laptop had one USB-C port I was not using at all, and this adapter helped me to expand the available USB-A, which I currently use the most.